Uh-oh. Not gonna make it through there.
Lay 3.
How are we gonna get through?
Go that way.
I don't even know if that's gonna work. Here, let's just take these down. You grab those too?
Where do you want to go?
Oh my God, there's people everywhere.
That way.
Yeah, I have to go to the left, I think.
You gonna make it through the sand there?
Yeah. Uh-oh. You're not gonna do it like this.
Why?
Well, I don't know, I guess you could.
I had to poke it through the underside, not the top side.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Oh, okay. I was trying to do it the
That's
other
fine.
way.
Yeah, but I don't think it's gonna get you anywhere. Not right now, because there's no sandbar. There's no waves crashing out far, so there's really, I don't know. I don't think it's gonna help. I got a couple bites on this one, on the shrimp. My bait's probably gone. No, it's still on there. That one's barely on there. Oh, there we go. Yep. Something decent. Oh, I came off. How? Huh? Yeah. No. Whatever's out there likes the shrimp. It might have gotten it though. Came off. You let go?
Yeah.
I wonder if they're crabs. Although that, I don't know. The first two that I got definitely were not crabs. Reel. Reel it. You got something. Looks like you got it pretty good.
Oh, I let go. Oh no, he's there.
Oh, he's there. Keep going. Does it feel too tight?
No.
He's right there.
Yep, I got
Bluefish.
Huh?
Bluefish.
Good?
Keep going.
Oh, that's a good one!
That's a good one.
Wait, my weight.
Oh, shoot. Your rig broke. Okay, come on, up the beach.
Oh, that is a good one. That's dinner.
Yep. We're keeping that one.
Awesome!
Got him good.
I wonder if you just cut the line out.
No, don't grab the top. Grab underneath. Come on, Mom, grab it.
Okay.
Really? Okay.
That's awesome.
Good job.
Thank you. I need a whole new rig now.
Yeah. Oh. Is it on now? Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, it just came off. Oh no, it didn't. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. No, it's a bluefish.
Nice.
Bluefish dinner. Oh yeah. I need a bucket of water again. Oh yeah, that's a good one too. He's hooked barely.
Okay. See a lot of those little clams.
Yeah, I know.
You never know when you're done. Doesn't go in the bin.
Huh?
You gotta go in the bin.
Oh. Something definitely hit it. See?
And streams, catching fish and living dreams. Gone fishing, you and me, on a shell, it's so free. Watching bait hooks like a pro, Justin's fishing show. Early mornings, never late, sunrise by the water's gate.